The Submarine class, also known as the Barracuda class, is a new generation of French nuclear-powered attack submarines designed to replace the aging Rubis class. Developed under the Barracuda program, these submarines mark a significant evolution in the capabilities of the French Navy, combining enhanced stealth, endurance, and offensive power. At the heart of the Submarine class is the K-15 pressurized water reactor, a reliable and compact nuclear power system that provides virtually unlimited underwater endurance. Unlike conventional diesel-electric submarines that need to surface or snorkel regularly, the Submarine class can remain submerged for months, making it extremely difficult to detect and track. Measuring approximately 99.5 meters in length and displacing around 5,300 tons when submerged, these submarines are built for multi-role operations. From intelligence gathering to anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, and even land attack missions, the Submarine class is designed for versatility in modern naval conflicts. One of the defining characteristics of the Barracuda program is stealth. Every design choice, from the hull shape to the noise-reducing technologies, was made with discretion in mind. The submarines feature anechoic tiles, pump jet propulsion for quieter movement, and a low acoustic signature that rivals the best in the world. According to French defense officials, the Submarine class is 10 times quieter than the Rubis class it replaces. Armament is another area where these submarines shine. Each vessel is equipped with four 533mm torpedo tubes capable of launching F-21 heavyweight torpedoes, Exocet SM-39 anti-ship missiles, and the MDCN, Missile de Croisière naval cruise missiles. The MDCN gives the Submarine class a powerful land attack capability, with a range of over 1,000 kilometers. This allows France to strike strategic targets inland from underwater positions, increasing deterrence and operational reach. The interior of the submarine is optimized for comfort and efficiency. The crew complement is around 60, with accommodations designed for longer missions and improved quality of life compared to earlier classes. Innovations such as modular command systems, touchscreen interfaces, and advanced sonar suites reduce crew fatigue and increase mission effectiveness. The Submarine class is also designed to support special operations. A dry deck shelter can be fitted to launch combat divers or underwater drones. This opens up the submarine for covert missions, including reconnaissance, sabotage, or insertion of special forces behind enemy lines. The program's lead ship, Submarine S-635, was launched in 2019 and commissioned into service in 2020. It represented a major milestone for Naval Group and the French Ministry of the Armed Forces. Following it, Citroen S-636 entered service in April 2024, and the third boat, Torval S-637, was delivered in late 2024 and is expected to be fully operational by 2025. Three more submarines, De Grasse S-638, Rubis S-639, and Casabianca S-640, are under construction, with planned entry into service between 2026 and 2030. Once all six are operational, the French Navy will have a powerful, fully modernized nuclear attack submarine fleet capable of global reach. Each Submarine-class submarine is the product of advanced French engineering. Naval Group, the prime contractor, has developed this platform using the latest composite materials, hydrodynamic design tools, and acoustic suppression systems. The integration of Thales sonar technology and DCNS combat systems ensures high performance in underwater detection and battle management. From a strategic standpoint, the Submarine class plays a vital role in France's defense doctrine. It provides second strike capabilities, surveillance in contested waters, protection for ballistic missile submarines, and forward-deployed strike power. In coalition operations or NATO missions, these submarines offer interoperability with allies, thanks to their modern communication suites and flexible mission profiles. Compared to their global counterparts, the Submarine class holds its ground well. While slightly smaller than American Virginia-class or British Astute-class submarines, the French boats are more compact and potentially more stealthy, with equally advanced weapons and sensors. Their cruise missile capability also gives France a long-range, underwater strike option previously lacking in its naval arsenal. In terms of cost, each unit is estimated at around €1.3 billion. While expensive, the investment ensures that France maintains its status as one of the world's leading naval powers. The submarines are expected to remain in service until at least 2060, forming the backbone of the French Navy's underwater operations for decades. Environmental control systems on board the Submarine class allow it to operate in diverse climates, from the icy North Atlantic to warm Indo-Pacific waters. This global operational capacity supports France's overseas interests and commitments, including territories and strategic sea lanes. In conclusion, the Submarine-class submarines represent a fusion of cutting-edge technology, strategic foresight, and naval tradition. They offer France a platform that is silent, survivable, and deadly, capable of adapting to the future of undersea warfare in an increasingly contested and multipolar world.